How to delete your post on OfferUp app. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. For this, make sure that you have downloaded and installed your OfferUp application. Sign up or log into your OfferUp account. Once you are logged in, you have to go ahead and check out all of the posts that you have made. For that, you can easily search for My Offers. Then you will see the option of selling right there at the very top. Just go ahead and tap on the selling option. It will list out all of the items that you have listed to sell. To delete your post on OfferUp, all you have to do is simply select the option of Edit or Manage, which will be at the side of the item. Just select on the option, then tap on the Delete option or Archive the listing. Once you do this, the listing or the item will be disappeared from your OfferUp feed. If you face any of the difficulty regarding this, there might be chance that there might be a bug issue. For that, you can go ahead and clear the cache of your OfferUp application, or just go ahead and check out the OfferUp support. And that is how you can easily delete your post on OfferUp. Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.